Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you lesson number 23 in MS Excel 2021. Today we will talk about comments in the review tab, about protect sheet, about protect workbook, and about allow edit ranges. So how to apply these commands and how we can use these commands effectively by applying them to our sheet. Today we are going to study this in detail. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, please make sure to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. To begin our discussion today, let's talk about comments. If you want to insert a new detailed comment inside any specific cell, the process you will need to follow is to first simply go ahead and click on the exact cell where you want to add that comment. For example, I clicked here. After clicking, you need to click on New Comment, and then a comment box will open in front of you. Let's click here. You can see the comment box is opening. Now, by clicking here, you can add any comment you want. Now, right after completing that step, whatever text I decide to type into this specific area, such as please add new, you will clearly see that I have successfully added a detailed comment inside the cell. As soon as that comment is added, you can observe that a small red eye icon immediately appears right here in the corner. Can you see it? This visual indicator means that a specific comment has been attached to this cell. Now, if we simply click on this cell again, we have the option to add even more comments here. In this way, if you choose to click on the previous button, you will automatically navigate back to the previous comment step. Similarly, if you click on next, you will proceed forward to the very next comment step. If you ever find that you want to delete a comment, you first need to click on the exact cell where that comment was originally added, and then as soon as you click on the delete button, the comment will be permanently removed from this location. After that, if you wish to hide all of these comments at once, I can click right here on the show all comments and hide option, and as soon as we click it, they will be toggled to be shown or hidden from view. So in this effective way, we can easily manage how we show or hide comments here. And if we happen to be writing anything else here, for instance, if I type something specific and then I continue to type here, just for example, and after that, see here, if we turn it off, you can see that the comments are being hidden here, but the data is not being hidden. And if you delete it, like when we delete it, your comments will be deleted, but the data will not be deleted. So in this way, you can add comments here. Now, let me tell you one more advanced use of comments. Sometimes we want that for each item or name written here, their picture should also be shown alongside, and we use comments to display their picture together. For example, suppose I typed Ali here, then I typed Anil here, then Maji, then Rohan, and after that, I typed Amesh here. Now we want that wherever Ali's name appears, Ali's picture should be shown there, then Anil's picture should be shown, and so on. As we hover over them, the picture should also be displayed along with the name. For this, first we need to click inside the cell where the name is written and where we want to display the picture through comments. So you click here, and after clicking, you go to review and then click on comments. You will see the comment box open in front of you. Delete the name you wrote here from the comment box like I deleted it from here. Then while clicking on any corner, you need to resize it as per your requirement. I click here, then here, and resize it as needed. Now if you want to add a picture inside it, you should not right click inside the box. Instead, you need to right click on the green outline you see and then click on Format Comments. This will open the Format Comments box in front of you. After that, click on Colors and Lines. After clicking on Colors and Lines, you will see a tab for Fill Color here. Click on it, then click on Fill Effects, and after that, click on Picture, then click on Select Picture. After that, you need to work offline. Click on From File and go to the location where your pictures are saved. I have kept some pictures on the desktop here, like passport size images. From here, we can select any picture and then insert it, and after that, click OK. See, the picture has now appeared here. If you hide the comments and then hover over it, you'll see the picture is displayed along with it. In this way, wherever we click here, then click on New Comments, we can also resize it as we wish, and by clicking here, delete the name inside it like this. After that, you need to click on its outline, then click on Format Comments, then go to Colors and Lines, and in the Color tab, click on Fill Effects, then click on Picture, and then go to Select Picture. After that, go to the location where your pictures are saved, select any picture, insert it, and click OK. Once you click OK, the picture will also appear here. Now, as you hover over it, you'll see the pictures are being displayed here. So basically, you can have any name or even any item here. For example, if you have some computer parts like USB, printer, scanners, and their names are written, then as you hover over them, the model or the picture will also be displayed. This way, you can decorate your work even more. After this, we will study about Protect Sheet, that is how to apply a password to your sheet. So to apply protection, first you need to click on the sheet where you want to apply protection. After that, we click on Protect Sheet, and then the Protect Sheet box will open in front of you. Here you can see options like Select Locked Cells, Select Unlocked Cells, Format Columns, and many more. You can apply protection to any one area, such as preventing columns from being inserted, preventing formatting, or preventing deletion of certain things. Here we want to apply protection to the entire sheet so that no editing can be done inside it. For this, we type a password here. For example, I type 904 and then click OK. Then we type 904 again and click OK. Now you can see that protection has been applied. Now no one can delete this data, nor can anything new be written here. Full protection has been applied to the entire sheet. If you want to remove this protection, you need to go to Unprotect, enter the password 904 and press Enter. Now you can delete the data and write new data here as well. Next, we will talk about the Protect Workbook command, which allows you to apply protection to the workbook. For example, here I have a workbook. You can see that inside this workbook, I can click the plus sign to add a new workbook or a new sheet. I can right-click on a sheet to insert, delete, rename, or move copy it. But if I want that no such commands can be applied here, what should I do? For that, you need to click on Protect Workbook. The Workbook protection box will open in front of you. Keep the structure command turned on and apply a password here. Just like before, I used 904. Then click OK or press Enter, type 904 again, and click OK. Now, if you try to click here, you'll see that you can't insert a new sheet. And if you right-click, you'll see that the Insert, Delete, Rename, Move or Copy and Tab commands are all inactive. If you want to unprotect it, click on Protect Workbook again, type the password 904, press Enter, and after that, you'll see that all the commands are active again when you right-click, and you can insert a new sheet by clicking the plus sign. In this way, you can apply protection on the workbook. And after that, the next command we are going to learn about is in this, under Allow Edit Range. Here we have a new command that we are about to learn. For this command, I have inserted a new sheet here, and I have written some data on it. As you can see, these are roll numbers, names, and I have listed some subjects here. For some subjects, I have already added marks, and for the remaining subjects, I still need to add marks. Now, what I want is that no changes should be made anywhere else in the data I have here, and only in this cell should data be written. So for this, what we need to do is select all those cells where we want to write data. We click here. After clicking, you need to select all of them like this, and then we go to the Review tab. After clicking on Review, when you click on Allow Edit Range, a box will open in front of you. You have to click here on New, and after clicking on New, you need to give a name to the range here. For example, I have given it a name. I wrote Chemistry here, and after that, you need to set a password here. I want to grant permission here. You want to allow someone like your computer operator or your data entry operator to write here. But even before writing, they will have to enter a password. Only then will they get permission to write. So here, let's type the password 123, press enter, type 123, and after that, you need to click OK. Now after that, what you need to do is apply protection to the sheet as well, so that your data on the rest of the sheet cannot be written over. So you need to go to Protect Sheet and then activate all these commands here, so that hyperlinks cannot be deleted or inserted, columns cannot be inserted or deleted, and no other filter or command can be applied or removed. Here, let's type the password 123456 and press enter. Then again 123456 and press enter. After that, you can see that this protection has now been applied. Now, if we click anywhere here or try to delete something, nothing gets deleted and nothing new can be added here. When you click here, see what happens when you click. Only a message box opens saying that you cannot delete anything here, so you can only read it. When you try to write something here by clicking, a box to unlock the range opens in front of you. By entering your password here, you can enter data. The password we set for unlocking the range was 123, so enter that and press enter. After that, you can write data here. See, just like this. So in this way, by using this command, you can apply protection to specific cells, and you can also remove it in the same way. Now to remove it, what do you need to do? You need to go to unprotect sheet, enter the password 123, and then, for example, if we press the entry for 123456. So now your protection has been removed from here. This was my lecture for today, in which I taught you about the review tab. Today we talked about comments, about protecting sheets, about protecting workbooks, and after that, about allowing edit ranges. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.